Life by JK.
Okay, number 1. Always make sure the switch is on. Okay? On run. And then come over here, and there's a key, and always switch it. Okay? And if you have it in gear, always click down. Okay? So if you kickstart it, try to start it, it won't start. Okay? And this is how to start. On run, you kickstart, okay? See? You gotta turn the key on.
Okay.
Okay? Honey, just turn this key.
Okay.
There it is.
Is the gas on?
There we go. Gas is on. Yeah. There we go. You kickstart.